In this video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Facebook login on new phone. Now, whenever you try to log into a Facebook on a new phone, you may get these sort of issues where your new device is not yet recognized. So in this case, what you can do is make sure that your credentials that you're entering are correct, as well as you can try a different way of trying to log in. So whenever you're on the page of Facebook and trying to log in, you'll have basically two methods. You receive the code on your phone or try to receive the code on your email. So you can try switching between these options and try to see if you can receive the code. If this is not the issue with you, the other thing that you can try out is, first of all, try to clear the app cache, or even better, you can try to uninstall the app of Facebook from your phone first of all and try to re-download it. Also, make sure that you are connected to a familiar Wi-Fi so that Facebook can identify that it is actually you that you're trying to log in to your account of Facebook. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook login on new phone issue. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.